What is up, Pyro Nations? McMuffinFireworks here today with another demo. Today we're doing a demo on Trainwreck 16 shot by Alien Fireworks. Pretty interesting picture. He's just standing there. So the performance is on top. Silver chrysanthemum mine of red, green, sky blue, lemon, purple, plus white glitter. Silver chrysanthemum mine of red, green, sky blue, lemon, purple, and silver chrysanthemum. Same picture as by Alien. Let's check out the tubes. Pretty good tube. Pretty good sturdy too. So yeah, this is Trainwreck 16 shot by Alien. This is the 200 gram. Let's get right into it. This is Trainwreck by Alien. It's a 200 gram.
You're right.